Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now, what time is it? It's 12:31. I'm gonna do a vlog today. I guess a daily vlog slash maintenance vlog, because I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair done. It's gonna be a 50-50 contribution, because my aunt gonna start it off and I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna do my nails. Probably just put like some little stickers on there, something simple. Put my eyelashes on. I have to go to the dentist to get my rubber bands changed. I have to. So I gotta go get some hair from the hair store, my beads, because I'm gonna be doing the shoulder length, maybe a little past the shoulder length, knotless with the beads. I need to come back in the house and work out and go to bed early because I'm tired, and it's just as simple as that. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me for the day. So I just got a shower, washed my hair. It took me a little hour, maybe hour and 10 minutes. And now I'm about to head out and go to the dentist. And I'll bring you guys along with me. So now it is time to pack my lunch, because I refuse to keep paying. You know what? We ain't gonna talk about it, because talking about it gonna give me a headache. Because it's so expensive to live, it ain't even funny. We're gonna cut up this mango. We're gonna get some fruit, a protein pack. If you don't know about that, what is this? Black chicken Alfredo from Walmart. This is it. So this is going to my lunch bag. I'm not paying for no food outside when I just went to the market. I refuse to. So I'm about to pack this up because I have to call my lift in a few minutes. And we'll go from there. Gosh. They gonna check your joints and shit, your shit all popping and shit, pop locking and drop. I got these little tongue scrapers. They work miracles, honey. 2K and Nick Cannon.
Come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. We'll call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tight. Cause they won't tell, cause they tryna live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off, cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. We'll call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Cause I too on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. Yeah, looking at you cry, you're crazy. If I could, I would take the pain away. I don't see that smile I made. You already make plans that ain't with me. Trying hard, I've been trying hard to breathe. Inhale, exhale, you expel what you've been doing to me. Fighting it off, you've been fighting me off for weeks. Don't leave, cause I need you. But you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Cause that's what on the low, on location. I don't want them seeing me get fed. You should come through tonight. Let me kick you with a tag. We won't tell, cause they tryna live their best life too. On the low.
So we are back home. Please, with this knocking of the bees is going to irritate me so much, bruh. But now I am back home. So I didn't have enough time to like really do anything, because at the dentist it took them longer than I thought it was going to take them. So I'm just now finishing getting my hair done. Probably like 25 minutes ago I got finished getting my hair done and I made my way home. So now I'm just going to do my eyelashes and my fingernails. I'm gonna have to worry about the feet another day because I just ain't got time. And then I'm going to work out tomorrow night instead of today because we ain't got no time. It's 9:05 right now and I'm trying to go to bed after all this. I had to flip the camera around because I don't like how the front camera been looking since I dropped it. So that means I'm probably gonna have to go next week and get it fixed. Like it just be looking kind of dull, like ew. Anyways, about to get that started. Oh, let me show you guys my hair. I just wanted something simple until like right before Thanksgiving because I really don't feel like messing with my hair every morning. Who got time for that? I really been clocking in at work. I'm trying to get some money out. So I just needed something simple that I'm able to just wake up, throw the ponytail on a style or a style. See, with this rubber band in my mouth, I can't really pronunciate right. Or a style. Mind you, I couldn't pronunciate really before the rubber band. And just go about my day. So I think I'm going to bring you guys a video of me doing this in different styles, like the different ways you can wear this. My edge is not done because it's at nighttime. Who about to do edges before going to bed? Not me. But look, isn't it cute? What is it giving? Isn't it cute, guys? Cute, simple. Let's see how it would look in a full ponytail. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. What is it giving? It's cute. Alright, so let's get these eyelashes started. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing. This is why time be going. Y'all saw these before, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it and not really explain. I'm not really feeling like the extra long length right now, so I'll probably do 12 to maybe 16 or 15. I normally do like 13 to like 17. We just gonna go from here, y'all.
I'll be waiting. Be on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, I ain't really trying to spend no time in the house. If you ask me, I won't feel it. I say it's still going out tonight. Oh, I did that in a minute.
So this is the final set. This is what I'm going with. This is the final product. So now I'm about to get in the shower and then I'll do my nails after I get out the shower. Then I'll show you guys that. I need to get a light for the front of this phone because you see how it's like dull. I don't like that. But this is it. And now I'm gonna wait for them to. Now I'm gonna wait for them to dry. Y'all see how much more clear it is when I'm using the back camera versus using the front camera? I had to go get that fixed.
Call it off, won't call it off for you. You're always going on and on. Ask me why I'm not with you. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Come on home, go tell your best friend you decide to. On the low, on location. I don't want them see me getting faded. You should come through tonight. Only kick it with a tight, cool, they won't tell.
Got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No, more than emotionally invested. showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were more than you could manage, yeah. Open with me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me silence. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all night you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time, so just be careful what you take for granted, yeah. Cause with me, no, you could do damage. You could do damage. You could do damage, yeah. Worry about it, I'm putting pressure.
Why'd you like yourself already? When you decide you need someone, when you don't have to